that's good to know.
Good morning, everyone. In the first 17 January Mega Bagurumba Showcase event at Surajoni Stadium in Guwahati, most excellent photographer, videographer, choreographer, I will choose them. आं बिथांमोनखौ सायख'गोन आरोना दा वर्ल्डआव बिसोरो जिथुनाखि मेगा बागुरुम्बा बेखौ स्पिड खालामबाय वर्ल्डआव माने बिसोरो हाइलाइट खालामबाय जाय बिथांमोना वर्ल्डआव हाइलाइट खालामबाय वर्ल्डआव स्पिड खालामबाय बिथांमोननि चेनेलनि गेजेरजों हाइलाइट जाबाय दा बिथांमोननि जिथुनाखि भिडिअ बे भिडिअग्राफार भिडिअखौ नोंथांमोना आङो दिन्थिनो थाखाय आखायाव लादों मानोना जायनि थाखाय दिनै मेगा बागुरुम्बा इभेन्ट बियो वर्ल्डआव गोसारदों आरो बिथाङानो जाहैबाय फरेननिफ्राय फैनानै बिथाङा बेयाव भिडिअ लाफैदों ब्लगिं खालामफैदों जायनि जाहोनाव बिथांनि दारा बिथांनि गेजेरजों बै मानसिनि गेजेरजों मेगा बागुरुम्बा इभेन्ट जिथुनाखि बर'नि कालचार आइडेन्टिटि बे वर्ल्डआव स्प्रेड जानो खाबु मोनदों थ' नोंथांमोननि भिडिअखौ दिन्थिगासिनो नोंथांमोना भिडिअखौ नायलांबानो जाबाय
What? Crazy. I'm trying to find a seat closer to where I was 2 days back. But this is a great view from this end. So here I've come. As you can see, woo, the stadium's full. Literally. It's crazy. I just posted on my Instagram that I'm here, and already these guys managed to finally say hi. Are you guys from Assam?
Yes, Assam is
Are you from the Bodo tribe?
No, I'm different tribe, Karbi.
Karbi tribe. How did you get to know about this?
So, like, my friends are from Bodo, so...
Oh, where are your friends sitting?
They're there.
Okay, on the opposite side.
Yes.
Well, I'm glad you found me. It's gonna take a while. I doubt it's gonna start early.
Yeah, it'll start from 6 o'clock.
It's gonna start?
6, from 6.
Yeah, from 6. It was nice to meet you guys. Thank you so much for coming on the vlog.
Can you take one pic?
Oh, sure. I guess that was nice. It feels weird being recognized, but this was, I think, my 4th time being stopped. I think a lot of the people have watched the rehearsal video, so well, I hope you guys like that video, and if you're somehow watching this one, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel because I'll be sharing so much more about the Northeast. You guys have no idea. It's currently 3:46, so it's not even 4 yet. Clearly, I'm very early here. I mean, one option I have is maybe to go down and I don't know, buy some food because I am a little hungry. I haven't eaten lunch. I've been dressed up and ready since morning. So let's see. The sun's obviously setting and it's gonna get dark soon. But wow, oh wow, how the view is gonna look like in the nighttime is gonna be epic. Well, I've exited because I'm really hungry. So I'm gonna go down and check what's there to eat.